Hello. So we are now on the conclusion. We are already in the part 13. So just to give you this video is just to give you the whole functionality that we have created. So now we have created the company on how to create company. Okay, on how to create a company by clicking this, and then if you already created a company, you have the company profile here to edit. Then we have job roles for user to invite or to remove. And then you have job listing. So as you can see here, we have the job listing and it's the developer, and and then also business analyst, marketing executive, NFT, and also listing a new job. Okay, then we have the the user profile here. So on the user profile, you have ability to edit the profile, bookmark jobs applied. So just to indicate whichever they already applied. So you can see I posted at Tuesday of April 28th of 2022. And you have the marketplace itself where you can, find out more with the filter, whether or not this specific jobs is internship, full time, or anything. So if it's full time, you have the only three of these things. Then internship, it's empty. Contract, still empty. Okay, so we have a part-time here. Then we have ability to search, let's just say in Ankara. So you have this. Then if you want to search for NFT, so you have the NFT developer and also marketing executive. So we already able to implement this filter, and then you have the find out more and also bookmark jobs. Okay, so as you can see here, this job is being created today on the 18th of May 2022. And then yeah, so that's it for the user role, where as employer, maybe for this thing, maybe a marketing executive can apply also. CV link, Dropbox. Let's go Roberto plus CV. My current location maybe Singapore, for example. So the button will change to a black color, and you indicate that you have applied for this role. Then if you go for the user profile, you have the wish to check whether it's applied or not. You can check you already applied for this thing, which is on Wednesday, May 18, which is today, on the today's date of this which I'm recording. Then we have the admin dashboard. Okay, so the admin dashboard. Sorry, let me log out. Let me try to sign in again. So this is the admin dashboard. You have users, jobs, then you have list of whether to approve or to decline, companies, users, and yeah. So that's it. That's the whole functionality that we have created. We have comprehensive features from user admin, employer, and also the regular folks who wish to apply for this thing, which is called job applicant. So if you have any kind of suggestions or any features that you wish to work on, maybe I can suggest, or maybe not suggest, but feel free to suggest me whichever features that you wish to to build, or maybe I can consider in the next video on how to do it and so on. So it's been a good ride. It's been a good adventure that we have managed to create all these functionalities from scratch, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video also for the related of the bubble.io tutorial. See you guys next time. Bye bye.